Okay, our next video. Putting in a double gang box, basically two outlets or side by side, or outlet and a switch, so on and so forth, a dimmer, whatever you like. I am feeding off a three-way switch. I'm going to put a link to the video to the three-way switch below, and you'll see me illustrate the wiring, how the system works, and I use it both ways where I reverse the travelers. The entire explanation is in there. I don't think the video is 5 minutes long. It's an actual physical setup. I put a board there, boxes, wiring, a light, so on and so forth, so you can see how it works. In case you have to work on a three-way switch later on. In order for me to get the power, I have to take it off the common. The common on one side is going to have power coming in. The common on the other side is going to be the power going out. It's going to be the load, whether it be light fixture or so on. I found the common on this one. You'll see me tape it up so I don't blow it when I put the new switch in. Now the new switch said common in the back, but there is a way to test it. You see that in the three-way switch video, how to test the switch. If it's an older switch and you're not sure, because the newer ones, the old ones don't always match up. So be careful with that. You don't want to blow anything up. Okay, you'll see me with a level, kind of make the lines with a caliper, take the sizes I need. Yeah, it was a little difficult. I had a little bit of a hard time. Go up and down the stairs, get tools, so on and so forth. But I'm happy with the outcome. I think you guys will be also. And the explanation hopefully is there. Any information that's not there that you want to ask, just ask, please. Hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Right? Bye. Okay, let's start the next video. The light is at an angle so I don't block it. Things are a little bit tight here. Hoping I got the breaker off. I'll find out in a second. I know I got the lights off. And it should be off. I don't see the lights going on. Start pulling it apart. This is the hallway three-way light switch. Almost never use ground on a three-way switch, at least in my location. I did do a three-way video. I can put the description to that, or that link for that video in the description, excuse me. I should be out already, but it's not. Let's keep going until it comes out. Okay, I think I know why it's not coming out. Something's wrong with the box. Okay, top one out already. Okay. I can take power off of any one of these travelers. Okay. Let's see if it says traveler on there or not. Common, at least I'm looking for the word common. Alright. Okay. That's not beeping. The bottom one on here is the common. So I'll have to pull the power off the switch when it's up. I do have neutrals in here and right there, and I do have grounds in there right there. So I got a lot of pigtailing to do. Let me pause the video while I put in all my pigtails before I put the switch in, okay? Okay, hopefully I can do this fast enough. No power to the switch. That one turned it. It's my large Knipex. Not sure you can find this guy anymore. So basically, all I'm gonna do is pigtail here, put it back, to the light. So when the power's on from this switch, it'll power on the outlet. I'm putting in a dual gang box. I gotta cut the tip, take this one out and cut the drywall a little bit, and it's gonna look like this. Switch on one side, and outlet on the other side. This is the hallway. Normally you don't see outlets here unless somebody puts it in like what I'm doing. Let me pause the video so I don't bore you guys to death. You got your description, and I'll give you a view before I put it inside, okay? Keeping the red on the side it belongs on top so we don't screw it up. And we're going to keep the black on top. This is the common on the bottom. Let's go into the light. Can't believe I had to put up one of my large screwdrivers to get in here. Okay. It's been in here for a while. If it wasn't right now, I'd go get a new switch. Okay, so we know those two go on top in this position, and this one goes on the bottom. And that's what I'm pigtailing off of. I have to take the switch out because when I take the old box out and I cut it over here, I have to put all the wires through the new box. That's kind of boring. You guys don't need to see that. You got a good description so far. Okay, let's see if that's the height. It is. Now we're going to go for the width of the box. Basically the height is from here to here. And now we got to do the width. It's a little bit wider. Battery's dead on the caliper, but you don't need batteries to use a caliper. It's just a digital display. It's nice to have, but I don't know why this one keeps killing it. Okay, we got our reading here. We're going to lock it down. We know how far we're going. Couple of ways to do this, I guess. Okay. Power's off. Okay. Extra. I'd like to get nice and tight as possible if I could. This will help me keep the box squared enough. Okay, I got my diagram where I'm cutting out from. Guys notice I used the tip. I don't know if there's conduit in there. I don't know what's in there. So don't use too much of the blade. Okay? That would be the safest way to do that. Let's see if she wants to come out now. Well, if I gotta force it, she came out. I got my opening for my box. And I'm looking for nails. It's in the back. I see it. Okay, this is a 50-year-old property, so it's going to be a little bit annoying to get this box out, but I will get it. There we go. We got it started, right? So like I said, it's in the back. The nails, so I got to get to the back. One on top, one on the bottom.
gonna have to mark this with tape so I don't mess up who's the common. Like I said, I will be putting that video about three-way switches and how they operate in the description. Okay. Box should be able to come out now. Alright. I gotta take up the neutrals apart this. And I gotta take the grounds apart. Nice. All that is good. Didn't expect it to be easy today. Here's what it is. I'm going through the trouble of showing you kind of difficulties you might have. The only reason I'm showing you this, other people think, oh, it's not that easy. Okay, these two stay together. We taped that up already, so that's good. So we gotta do is cut this clip or take it off, one or the other. I'm gonna cut it's just the ground. Now we gotta undo the grounds and put them back together when I'm finished. Okay. You guys got all that so far? And that box should come out any second now. Hopefully, maybe a little bending, twisting of the wires, but hopefully fine. Alright, she's out. Now I gotta break the back here where I'm putting my cables in, put them all back in, and then start putting everything back together. Okay? Okay, got it in. I just had to push in. I will set up the wires in a second, one by one, after I get the box tightened up. That tab that was flat is gonna flip up when I start turning the screw. And this one will flip down, so it's a good idea. It already should be flipped up. And that one is tight. The same thing here, keep the box in play. And then now it's flipped down already. Yep, that one's already in play. Alright. Okay. One going to the switch. One going to the outlet, power, when the light's on, of course. My neutral for the outlet, and my ground for the outlet. These two on top. This is the common here going to the light fixture. So power's coming into the travelers. When you're using aluminum wiring, you're supposed to be using these guys here. They got this gooey crap inside. I don't like it, but that's cold, so I have to do it. Okay, let me put everything back together and then we'll test the system, okay? Okay, we're just about done. Got all the wiring together, got the outlet in place, got the switch in place. She will not be energized till I turn the switch on for the outlet. It's not a bad safety thing. It turned off, excuse me. Okay, even though it says energized, it says 0.14 watts, so now it says correct wiring right there. Okay, so I wonder if I could trip the breaker through here. Has to do with the three-way switch system. It's weird, huh? Oh, I tripped it. It worked. So the wiring is 100% correct. There's no issues at all. Okay, last thing. Imperfections here. Not sure all of it came from me, but some of it could have came from me. I did use a level to square up the lines. Medium cover plate comes in just fine. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.